video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung internet browser keeps crashing. For that, the first thing that you can do is head over to your recent apps and force close all apps including the internet browser. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to your app drawer and search for Samsung internet, or search for Google Chrome if you're using Google Chrome on your device. Once you have searched for the app, you can long press on the app and then simply hit locate app. Once you have hit locate app, you can long press on the app again and then head over to the info icon right next to the app. From here you can scroll down and then hit storage and then clear the cache of the app that you're using. If that does not fix your problem, what you can do is simply head over to your Play Store on your device. Once you're inside Play Store, head over to search and search for the browser that you're using. That's what you can do is simply hit the update button right next to the name of your browser to update it to the latest version. If the issue still persists, you can simply head over to your app drawer, search for the browser, long press on the browser, uninstall it from your device and reinstall it from the Play Store if your device allows you to do it. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.